Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok camera quality. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your TikTok videos are glitchy or blurry, then here are some fixes you could try out. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and find out the best internet connection for your device. And once you do that, the next thing to make sure is that you have the updated version of TikTok application. Go to your Play Store and search for TikTok in the search bar. Once you find TikTok, tap on the update button if your TikTok app needs an update. The next thing to do is to turn off the data saving feature on TikTok. Simply tap open your TikTok application and tap on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner from the main homepage. Go to the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner and give it a tap and tap on settings and privacy in the pop-up. Scroll down and right where you can see cache and cellular data, tap on data saver. Make sure that the toggle button right next to data saver is turned off. Now you can go back. Now see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, you can simply uninstall the TikTok application from your smartphone by pressing hold to the TikTok app and tapping on the uninstall button. In the pop-up, select OK and you'll be able to uninstall your TikTok application. Now simply go back to Play Store and reinstall it back again on your Android device. Now you can simply tap open your TikTok application and see if that fixes your issue by trying to create a content. That is how you can easily fix TikTok camera quality on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.